Sa game na to guys nag-lock ako ng Leomord, tapos tignan natin kung kakayanin ko lane up ng kalaban. Dito guys wala pang 1 minutes nakachamba na agad ako. Pagtapos ko mag-farm dumalaw agad ako sa top kaso nagkamali ako ng pasok kaya dito nabigyan ako. Okay lang yung bawi na lang ako guys.
Pwede na!
Dito nag-turtle yung kalaban tapos tri-call ang agawin. Dahil nakuha ko yung turtle pwedeng-pwede ko na sila sugurin. Dito dumalaw ulit ako sa top at ito ang nangyari. Grabe yung Cooper tumatalbog lang ako.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listen to me, jump on it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really got it.
Sayang guys neniyak na sana nakuha pa ni Claude yung isa.
And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that works the hardest. 'Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills will be discovered. So I'ma get started, can't be retarded. Nah, I'm the one that can't be retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get a party. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Boy, that shit in my cup. We about to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out. In front of the whole crowd. Legendary. Sold out. Take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like this uncertainty, an urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, it's in the right constantly. So stop and breathe. No matter who you wanna be.
May 500 sa ano.
Victory!